What's up, Lopes? My name is Maris Graver. I'm part of the Lopes AMA chapter here at GCU. Today I'm going to be heading into the CCOB to get some advice on my LinkedIn profile. Let's go. How important is it to have a LinkedIn profile? It's an amazing tool and resource for us as recruiters and employers to be able to look at and really view your digital resume without you actually submitting an application. What would you say in your LinkedIn profile is the most important section?
I think all sections are super important. I think experience is important. I think skills, and I actually think who endorses you are important. And I even like to look at the interests, because I can see based off of the interest if they might be interested in our company.
You know, it's gonna sound pretty straightforward, but honestly, I won't even look at a profile if they don't have a professional picture.
What would you say as some advice to people starting a LinkedIn profile?
Not to just randomly send people requests. I want you to at least say, hey, I'd like to get to know you better. Can we please connect and even schedule time to meet if it's something that we could do in person.
What would you say is the number one thing you look for in a LinkedIn profile?
Is the person connected to other people, who those people are? What interests does the person have? Who's interested in you? Who's recommending you? All those things come together to give me a holistic picture of who you are.
What would you say is the most important and essential part in a LinkedIn profile?
Skim towards education, and then it's right at work experience, industry work experience.
When would you say is the best time for students to make a LinkedIn profile?
Right now.